An off-road legend that once vanished from the automotive world is now reviving with even more ferocious power and futuristic technology. Meet the 2027 Hummer H4 Restomod, an extreme transformation that doesn't just revive the Hummer name. 2027 marks the beginning of a new era, reborn with even more ambitious goals. The 2027 Hummer H4 features a bold, futuristic design, retaining the masculine aura typical of the Hummer family. Its boxy, muscular silhouette is further refined by the play of LED lines that stretch across the front grille, headlights, and even the reflective floor mats, emphasizing its identity. The glossy black bodywork creates a premium and intimidating impression, combined with large fender flares and large-diameter chrome wheels that appear designed to conquer extreme terrain while showcasing a modern, luxurious style. The Hummer H4 features a tri-motor, all-electric configuration, delivering a powerful output far surpassing that of the gasoline engines of the classic Hummer era. With next-generation battery technology, this model is expected to produce 650 to 900 horsepower, with instant torque in the range of 1,000 to 1,300 Newton-meters, making it a capable SUV to compete with modern hyper-SUVs. In terms of range, the battery capacity is projected to be in the range of 150 to 180 kilowatt-hours, providing a range of approximately 500 to 650 kilometers per charge, depending on driving mode and terrain. The interior of the 2027 Hummer H4 in this image presents a blend of futuristic luxury and the rugged character of the legendary SUV. The dashboard features a large, curved digital display that flows from the instrument panel to the infotainment screen, displaying navigation, electrical data, off-road modes, and vehicle settings in one ergonomic display. The boldly designed steering wheel with the Hummer emblem conveys an identity that maintains its historical roots, but with a modern interpretation. This interior demonstrates that the Hummer is now not only a symbol of power, but also a symbol of a modern, high-class lifestyle.